I put this case back on my phone and it makes the camera sort of blurry. But, oh, that looks so bad. Wow, sorry about that. So here we picked up another. Oh my god, this thing's dying on me. Stupid battery. This phone's a piece of shit. So I gotta keep it quick. But we picked up a new Dynamite.19 motor. This was actually a local Facebook Marketplace grab for $60. The head was red, like that. I just got done paint stripping it to silver. It feels so raw, too. Yeah, that shit, easy off oven cleaner, is some strong shit. It chokes you out. It like locks up your lungs. Couple of heat cycles and spraying that stuff on there. Got her pretty clean. Also fucking ruined your skin too. I feel so dry. Oh, that's so satisfying. Yeah, used to look just like that. So the only bad thing about this engine is it's rusted. It's locked up. It's rusted. I need to get new bearings. And she's been sitting for a long time. But I think everything internally will turn to be just fine. I just need to clean it some more. He also said this was locking up too, which there is some weird marking in it. I think it's just brand new. Cause yeah, it looks fine. Yeah, I think it's just new. Cause in the piston, ew. It's leaking fucking oil. Yeah, it's nasty. But yeah, the piston still looks really good. I think it just needs a break-in done. I haven't dared try to put the piston back in the sleeve yet. I need to clean everything really good before I do that, because I can see shit caked in the ports. Yeah, this thing might have been run like once or twice. Barely past break-in, probably. And we finally have head gaskets. About fucking time. Might actually steal a couple out of it and throw one to that one. It's got 3 like it should. The carburetor is also different too. I think someone just hacked that off of there. Yeah, somebody hacked that off. Yeah, someone hacked that off of there for the Revo. I might have to buy a new one, because that's not going to fit. It doesn't have the ball anymore. Yeah, it's not going to work in the Jado. I still need to go over everything a little bit. It's an old model too, the 1-dot plate. And it stinks too. The guy put like fucking Marvel Mystery Oil or something in it. Smells like a, I don't know, it smells like it might even be like fucking PB Blaster or something. It smells like an automotive shop. Yeah, it fucking stinks. I don't think it's brake cleaner. It's something like PB Blaster or Liquid Wrench or fucking, I don't know. Yeah, I think it'll be just fine. Kind of chewed up the rod a little bit trying to get it off the crank pin because this was stuck. It's freeing up now. Oh my god, my stomach is making so much noise right now. Holy shit, I'm hungry. Oh my god, I'm fucking hungry. Let me see which one has my parts. Yeah, it's gonna look just like this engine. I'm gonna build it up. I'm gonna build it up exactly like this one. All the silver mods. Oh, that looks so good. Yeah, I got the motor mount, the flywheel. Oh, this floor is so noisy. Yeah, she's gonna be bling bling. That head actually turned out pretty nice. Yeah, we're gonna build up another, or I'm gonna build up another nice silver one. Let me do something real quick. That way I don't have to hold it. I don't think I'm gonna be able to put this back together right now anyways. I need bearings. But yeah, just because I'm bored. Yeah, see, it's really tight. The bearings aren't even spinning. Definitely needs bearings. Ooh, yeah, that's gonna look good. I don't know what this red shit is on the block. Is that just common for these older ones? Because even that one has it. I don't know, maybe it's from overheating it. Who knows? I do believe it was run before, but yeah, it looks very, very new. Yep. That's the, it's gonna be that car's new engine. And that one I'm gonna keep for the 0% fuel experiments. This one is going to be its actual motor. Yeah, instead of that frickin' thing. Instead of trying to make this look pretty with all this silver shit, I can just do another nice little looking dynamite motor. It looks like the block is almost kind of a bluish color too. Yeah, this one's got some weird paint going on. Yeah, I don't even think it's spinning the bearings. What it's doing is it's just spinning the crankshaft in the bearings, I think, is what's going on. Yeah, I can feel the bearings wiggling back and forth. She's locked up tight. If you put stress on it and like really bend the crankshaft, like press on it to like put pressure against the bearing races, you can actually get them to turn over. But just straight like this, yeah, they're... Oh yeah, they're freeing up a little bit. Wow, that sounds bad. I bet that's the inner bearing. The front one is the one that's locked up really bad. Yeah, that's the inner one. So, I gotta keep it short. Battery's gonna run out. So, stay tuned. I'll post more about it later. I need to work on buying bearings for it and then figure this out, because this is never gonna work in the Jado. I don't want to steal one from another motor, because then, yeah, I'll have to get one for it. I don't know, maybe the Traxxas one will fit. I'm not sure if it's the same size or not. Like the same diameter. Even if not, I bet the grub screw will go in all the way, and then I can just crank it on there with the grub screw. Maybe even dap it up in some Loctite. Keep it from coming loose. Yeah, I'm gonna say that's probably like new, because I don't see any damage on it. There's nothing that screams why it should be tight in the piston area. But yeah, it gets tight like right below that mark. It's like very tight. I don't think anybody did a pinch job on it. I think it's just brand new. Yeah, I think it's just brand new. Yeah, because there's nothing wrong with, like, I mean, there's a few marks. There's definitely some marking right there, like really small, but that's not going to keep it from going. Like, overall, it looks just fine. I would try to get that little piston clip out so I can actually pull this apart, but I don't have anything small enough anymore to get in there and grab that clip. I do have pliers. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I do have these, but those are way too big. I can't get in there and grab the little clip out of there. I used to have a pair of tweezers that I used, but I don't know where they went. So, that's the new engine. Yeah, the block is definitely a different color. It's almost like a blue color. That's weird. Really weird.